Slang Kedah State of Police, I don't know lah.
Okay.
So we want to go to our friend's house.
Uh-huh.
Invited us to go there to eat durian.
Wow.
So all the way from Fly, we wanted to go there.
Mm-hmm.
At Seberang Raya there, we met one girl. One car. It's a
Okay.
girl. Girl. Two Malay girls. My friend are Malay lah.
Okay.
Malay, I'm a Chinese.
Uh-huh.
Three of them are Malay. So I drove, and then overtake the car. Then I said, oh, she is so beautiful. And
Mm.
then my friend so smart. My friend, oh, handsome lah.
Uh-huh.
And then the girl so beautiful, pretty also. And then talking like hi or something
Yeah
like that
lah.
lah. And then later the girl on my right overtake me.
Oh.
And then I asked my friend, ambil lah nombor phone dia. And then my friend said, how to take? Then I say, hi, hello. Number that number.
Hand signal lah.
And then she slowed down. Then don't know how lah.
Huh?
And then went for a tea break lah, like coffee lah. So went to the coffee shop there. We sit and then drink coffee, talking lah. And then my car was already busy. So my friend is from KL. And then one is from Johor. So that girl believed that we are all from KL lah. Say we
Okay.
all the way came from KL ma. And then we don't like ma because they are KL people ma.
Okay.
Johor people want two KL people ma.
Okay lah,
Then the
accepted.
girl work in Penang, but they are from the Kedah or the police station there
Oh,
ma.
okay.
And then we asked that girl lah. She like to she tried to speak English lah. Want to show off something
Ya, okay lah.
Tadi kita dari she speak Malay but
Mix
lah.
English, okay.
Daripada ni Penang kita nak balik. Oh, because my friend KL ma. She want to speak KL lor. And then she said Penang dari mana? Then she say, Penang daripada Island.
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 Dari Island.
She said the word Island already. Hey, Island.
Cute. I also used to pronounce it like that lah. I used to say Island Glades. And then go to school, then oh, it's Island Glades. Like cute lah.
I was so funny. I cannot tahan. Then my friend the Malay from the Johor one he also can speak English but don't speak one. Because not used to speak lah.
Ya
But
lah.
he understand now. Then he say Island.
Mana tempat dah.
Island. Then they get Island. Alamak, ayo. Then Malay they say what nak tempat. I'm shy lor. Your Island. Another word tortoise
Tortoise.
Because one of my classmates is a Malay guy also. It's a Punjabi mixed one lah.
Wow.
The great grandfather or the grandfather is a Punjabi. That means made up become Punjabi. And then his English is good, better than me.
Yalah, Punjabi sir.
And then I went to tuition. So the sir asked us to read passage lah, everybody lah. So when people read time, he was laughing at people. And then the teacher said, now your turn.
Your turn.
You read the tortoise. Not tortoise, tortoise.
Hey, laugh at people lah.
Then my sir said, yeah, you are tortoise. You laugh at people all the time, you tortoise. So funny, you know. So now the world is cash payment, you know.
Yeah.
Instant one,
Instant karma.
Do not do something to show people that you're clever.
You will kena back one.
You this house alamak. Tak boleh tahan nak tengok.
Fantastic
Inside sama.
inside lah. Jesselton. That day I came the All Souls Day.
Oh.
I came with my friend to the cemetery, go to her mother's grave.
Up there, is it?
Inside, yeah.
Inside there, huh? This is the one, right?
This is the one. Crowded also lah.
But this one, the Christian one, not scary, you know. But the Chinese one, look very scary one.
Maybe because the tombstones are big lah.
Because Chinese one, it's not in a nice place, you know. It's all up the mountain.
All the bukit
Very scary one, you know. Someone got the big tree. Dark, no people. All there.
Yeah lah.
The Malay one also okay. Malay one also not scary.
The Batu Lanjang one also scary. For me, the Batu Lanjang one.
Or the Chinese grave.
No. Beside one. In front, the Hindu cemetery.
The Hindu one. Oh, the.
In front of the Batu Lanjang school, my primary school. My grandmother.
Near the Island Glades there one
Near Island Park.
Opposite the convent school one, isn't it?
Yes.
The traffic light, the convent school opposite lah. Then we go straight there one.
You go in, you can go to Falim. Big trees, and then going up to the hill. Next to the Chinese one lah. My grandmother buried there, my auntie buried there.
Well, actually, these things all is a sort like what you train yourself lah.
Yeah.
Like those people who live there one, they don't scared also.
Yes.
I see the Mount Asking one, the house also beside the grave.
I used to Gothic Gardens. I stay here, just down the road, turn left, open the back door. It's the Chinese grave, ma. My mother took us there to view the house. You open the back door, so one big grave. But then no choice. That's all my mother could afford. Then every morning stand at the kitchen sink, we brush our teeth or look at the grave. Then get used to it already.
And then that one, the Chinese one also same. They dry their school shoes on the grave.
On the grave, yeah.
Okay to them?
Okay already.
But we all they don't go lah.
Pantang lah, what lah. Yeah.
Lupa lah.
Cheng Beng, I make good money. Jaga kereta.
Oh yeah.
Cheng, because beside our house got one small pathway go straight to the cemetery. So they park there. I jaga kereta. I make good money lah. Cheng Beng time. That time I'm in school lah.
They offer you money or?
No, they give. I still stand outside my gate lo. Go stand.
You don't demand to?
No. They give.
It's good lah,
Yeah.
But this one in Islam lah, we cannot demand one, you know, because
I shall stop.
ini duit haram lah.